woman.
Good day, everyone. I'm Jolды. I'm an English teacher. I have been working at a wonderful place called School Number 9 for over 1 year.
Good day, dear Алтын Нұрлыбекқызы.
Good day.
All we know, you are a young specialist and you are going to participate in the competition which called My First Debut, yes?
Yeah, you are right.
So, how are you doing today?
I am doing great. Thank you. All of you all right?
Oh, that's amazing. Can we start our interview?
Yes, we may start.
So, my first question, how did you find your profession? Tell me about yourself, please.
My profession is teacher of English language and the Chinese. I graduated from the University International Relations and the World Languages, named after Abayhan, located in Almaty. Being teacher was my dream, comes from childhood. My own teacher played is a big and a significant role in choosing this profession. According to the Sydney Hook, everyone who remembers his own education remembers teachers, not methods and the techniques. The teacher is the heart of the educational system. I absolutely agree with this quotation.
What do you say about difficulties and fun moments at work?
In every job has own difficulties and the fun moments. In first year of employment, it was difficult to work with primary classes. In university or in practice, I only worked more with large classes, that is from 7th to 11th grades. Primary school students need to speak in children's language, but by exchanging experience with my colleagues, I was able to quickly show good results. Using various methods and games, I awakened students' interest in the English language. Every day I have the desire to go through new methods and the visuals that are not similar to each other. Any time spent with my students is fun moments for me. I also actively participate in school events and perform. I danced in Teachers' Day to give good mood for teachers. And I think teachers, that is we, should be patient, all difficulties, should be hard worker.
What about your achievements?
It's a great achievement for me that I'm not only learning, but also I teaching students. Although I have not achieved many achievements in 1 year, the quality of education of my students is a success. The firstly, I want to say about achievements my students, that is pupils. They takes place in various competitions and online Olympiads. For example, pony and inter-school competitions, they takes place the first place. I participated in competitions and courses in order to improve my knowledge, such as giving certificate issued in my name, which call it modern trends in improving pedagogical education. The following certificate was awarded for active participation in the Republican Subject Olympiad, the most knowledgeable teacher 2022, and for showing good results. I won first place in the online Republican Olympiad for teachers pet start. I think it's a very good success for me. This is not our peak. I'm sure that I will conquer many high standards with my students. I have a method that I use for my students. At the end of each month, I check the quality of the student's education, each check mark for each chapter. This method is very effective for students. They know the results themselves. They can watch their results with helping diagram.
I greatly appreciate your response. I wish you good luck, Алтын.
Thank you so much.
This is all it takes, falling in love with me.
like